Making an appointment with prospects is a crucial activity in succeeding selling. I'm offering you 3 steps to make any sales appointment effectively. Stick around. You know the best way to set up an appointment? It's face-to-face. Follow these 3 steps to set up a face-to-face appointment with any prospect. First of all, you have to do the research. The best tool is internet. Just Google his or her name. You will be directed to his or her website, journals, or social media platforms. Through the social media sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, you can find a lot of information like his personal interest, education background, talents, skills. If you're lucky enough, sometimes you can find out one of your best friends is a close buddy of your prospect or the target appointment. Then if you can make the appointment through your friend, that would be the best strategy. You know the biggest challenge in many salespeople in setting appointments? It's passing gatekeepers. Therefore, you have to be ready for this challenge. You have to know the name of the decision maker. You have to be friendly with him. You have to be sincere with him. Do not try to play the old school tricks to overcome him, because he can sense you very easily, as he has an experience of hundreds of salespeople like you. Tell him the truth. Be genuine. Convince him that you are going to help his organization or add value to his organization. Create a positive impression. The fundamental mistake many salespeople do is they try to sell their product or service over the phone. Stop selling them. The one and only thing you are going to sell is the appointment. You have to prepare. Not prepare, you have to master what I call the 10-second commercial. What you say on first 10 seconds to the decision maker is very crucial. He will decide whether he's going to listen to you further or not based on the 10-second commercial. That's why I asked you to do the initial research on the customer. Then you can tailor-make your sales pitch, matching his preferences or personality. The person on the other side of the phone should feel giving an appointment for you is worthwhile. He should feel the meeting with you gives him value. Maybe it helps to reduce the cost, improve the productivity, or increase the sales profitability. Alright, remember these 3 steps. Wish you all the best for your next sales appointment. See you soon. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information, and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.